Hey guys, back in another video. Today, I'm gonna be unboxing a Nintendo Switch. Now, this Nintendo Switch, it's pretty new. Yeah. Let's get into the unboxing. I am actually gonna be giving away a brand new Nintendo Switch at 50,000 subscribers. Now, I know this is hard-ish to get to, but we can do it. And it's gonna be brand spanking new. No, not even my one. I wouldn't give that away for some reason, but it's gonna be brand new. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this clip. I'll see you in the next clip, I guess. Now it should be done. Okay, so first I am going to open it this side. Now you guys are going to get a first look at it. Yeah, that's an Nintendo Switch. So I'm going to take out all the contents of the box on the table. Yes, okay, so okay, first I'm going to start the actual Switch itself. It's pretty clean, Turn it on. Okay, I'm just going to set it up real quick, so I'll be back. Okay, so I finished setting it up, downloaded a few games. I also have 2 games here, Just Dance, and I've got Donkey Kong. So yeah, and what else I've got a Nintendo Switch travel case to take it around and stuff. So yeah. So let's have a look at the Nintendo Switch itself. Now, I just put the screen protector on, so it's a little bit of bubbles. But hopefully that's right. I should take it off. Yeah, here. So you could choose between having it in black or white. Okay, so if you want white, just click there. Oh, let me there. White, just click there. Okay, so that's cool. Okay, now I'm gonna have a look at some of the games. Having a look at the first game, we're playing Rocket League here. Yes, it is very, the graphics here are actually pretty good for a little device. So yeah, nothing much to see here. If you got the game and all. Okie dokie, so we're having a look at Donkey Kong instead because I was gonna look at Fortnite, but then, it didn't download it. I'm not bothered to download it right now. If you want me to download it next, then I will. But yeah, so we've got it here. So yeah, you can select your game. Oops. Oh, oopsies. Okay, you can select your game. Select whatever mode you want. And then you're on your way to starting. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And my favorite part about this is that it's portable. And I'm gonna show you quickly how it fits in to this case here. Okay, inside the case, it also has a little pouch. You can keep these things when you play like Just Dance or something, or a freehand game. Yeah, you've got these 2 little things for your games, SD cards. So if you all want to pack it up into one, then you just simply put your Nintendo Switch here, set it up, and you're finished. It also comes with charging dock and controller which you can slip these controllers in. If you want to see it, I can show you. 3, 2, 1. And that's all it is. So, yes, that is good. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.